for today's video tutorial ko on how to download eBIRForms. First open Nathan aiding Google Chrome or type www.bir.gov.ph then ito ang lalabas. And then I click Nathan ang services then scroll down hanggang makita Nathan itong eBIRForms. Then click the blue link para ma-open and to download the offline eBIRForms package 7.4.9.2 I click Nathan yung here. To download. Ayan nagdadovnload na. Then let open the download click lang Nathan yan at wait until lumabas itong application and then click install anyway. Click next, click yes then click install then click finish and then let's check kung okay na. Ayan okay na. Thank you for watching.